Welcome back to our channel. So let us begin exercise 10.1. Okay, the first problem is a joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeters. Okay, so joker's cap is in the shape of right circular cone. Okay, and whose base radius is 7 centimeters. That means here radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. So height is mentioned at 24 centimeters. Okay. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, so we have to find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, so in order to find the area of the joker cap, okay, we have to find the curved surface area. Okay, so why? Because joker cap, it does not consisting of any base. Okay, the base is open, always open. That means only curved surface area. We have to find the curved surface area of cone. Okay, so write the given data. Okay, so radius of cone R is given that R is 7 centimeters and height H is 24 centimeters. Okay, so now find the curved surface area of cone. So we know that curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL. Okay, so pi RL, that means find L. First find L, since L equal to under root of R square plus H square. Okay, so this is the height. Okay, this is the radius and this is the slant head. So here it is 90 degrees. If we apply Pythagoras theorem here, so L square equal to H square plus R square. Okay, we get L square equal to H square plus R square. That means L equal to under root of H square plus R square. Okay, so therefore L equal under root of R square is R value is 7. Okay, 7 square plus H square is H value is 24 square equal to under root of 7 square is 49 plus 24 square is 576. Okay, so under root of 49 plus 576 is 625. Okay, so root 625 value is 25. Therefore L equal to, we obtained 25 centimeters. Okay, so now curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL. That means pi is 22 by 7. We can take pi as 22 by 7 into R. Radius is 7 into L is 25. Okay, centimeter into centimeter is centimeters square. So 7 get cancelled. So 22 into 25 centimeters square. Okay, so 22 into 25, that means 25 into 22, 50. Okay, so 550. So 550 centimeters square. So this is the area required to make only one cone. Okay, only one cap. So here in the question it is asked to find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, so we have to multiply this curved surface area into 10. Okay, so therefore area of sheet required to make 10 caps equal to 10 into, so for each cap it is required 550 centimeter square sheet. Okay, so for 10 caps 10 into 550 centimeter square sheet we have. So 5500 centimeters square. So this is the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, so we shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, a sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. Okay, so a sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders. Okay, that means we have to first draw a cylinder. Okay, so it is ordered to prepare 100 such cylinders. Okay, the dimensions of cylinders are given. Okay, the required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeters length or height. That means height here is 35 centimeters. Okay, and its radius is 7 centimeters. So base radius we take as 7 centimeters as radius. Okay, find the area of the thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. So we have to find the area of the paper needed to make such cylinders of 100. Okay, so in order to find the area of sheet required to make one cylinder, so we have to find the total surface area. Okay, why? Because here the sports company was ordered to prepare 100 cylinder for packing shuttlecocks. Okay, so the cylinder was ordered for packing shuttlecock. That means we have to close the top side and bottom side in order to pack the cocks. Okay, that means if we close the top side and bottom side, that means the top area and bottom area is also considered. So we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so first write the given data. Okay, so given height of cylinder. Okay, height of cylinder h equal to 35 centimeters, and radius of cylinder r equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, so total surface area of cylinder, so we know that total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, so 2 into, we can take pi as 22 by 7 into r value, it is given that 7 centimeters, so 7 centimeters into r plus h, that means 7 centimeters plus h is 35 centimeters. Okay, so 7 get cancelled. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeters into 7 plus 35 is 42 centimeter into centimeter square. Okay, so 44 into 42. Okay, so 42 into 44. 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16, similarly 168. So 8 14 1. So 1848 centimeters square. So this is the area of sheet required to make one cylinder. So here the sports company was ordered to prepare 100 cylinders. So in order to make the 100 cylinders, so we required 100 into this area. Okay, so to prepare, okay, to make 100 cylinders, sheet required equal to 100 into area of sheet required for each cylinder is 1848 centimeters. So that means 1848 100 centimeters square. This is the area of sheet required to make 100 cylinders. The next question is, find the volume of the right circular cone with the radius 6 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. Okay, so let us take a right circular cone. Okay, so here height is 7 centimeters. Okay, and radius, it is mentioned that radius is given that 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters radius and height is 7 centimeters. Find the volume of the right circular cone. So we have to find the volume. Okay, so write the given data first. Given. Okay, so radius of cone r equal to, it is given that 6 centimeters. Okay, similarly height of cone h equal to, given that 7 centimeters. Okay, so find the volume of the right circular cone mentioned. Okay, therefore volume of cone is, so volume of cone formula, we know that volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square h equal to 1/3 of pi value, we can take as 22 by 7 into r square, that means r value is 6 centimeters whole square into h value is 7 centimeters equal to 7 get cancelled. Okay, so 1/3 into 22 into 6 square. Okay, that means 6 into 6 centimeters square into centimeter, that means centimeters cube. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay, next 22 2s are is 44 6s are 6 4s are 24 4 2 6 4 is 24 plus 2 26, so 264 centimeters cube. So this is the volume of required cone. Okay, we shall discuss the next question. The next question is, the lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so that means, so draw a cylinder and a cone. Okay, so it is given that lateral surface area of cylinder equal to curved surface area of cone. Okay, so we know that lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay, so equal to curved surface area of cone. Okay, curved surface area of cone, that means pi r l. Okay, so it implies 2 pi r h equal to pi r l. Okay, so if the bases are same, so given that the bases are same, that means radius is also same. So radius of cone equal to radius of cylinder. Okay, so since bases are same, radius of cone equal to radius of cylinder. Okay, so that means r equal to r. So we can cancel r and r. Now pi will be get cancelled. So 2h equal to L we have obtained. Okay. So we have to find the ratio of the height of the cylinder to the slant height of the cone. Okay. So we have to find the ratio between the height of cylinder to the slant height of the cone. That means we have to find h is to L. So this L, right side L comes to the left side and get divided with the left side term. That means h by L equal to left side 2. Left side multiply 2 comes to the right side and gets divided. That means 1 by 2. Okay. So h by L equal to 1 by 2. It implies h is to L equal to 1 is to 2. So ratio of height of cylinder to the slant height of the cone is 1 is to 2. So this is the answer.